Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about the cerebral sulci and gyri of the inferior surface. So in the previous 2-3 videos we've finished the superolateral surface and the medial surface, and now we'll talk about the inferior surface. Okay, so first we need to know that there are a total of 5 sulci and there's a total of 7 gyri. Okay, so 5 and 7. Okay, so starting with the sulci. So first here, this is the olfactory sulcus. This is the olfactory sulcus. Oh yeah, and you need to know that this is anterior, this is posterior, and these two are lateral. Okay, so this is your olfactory sulcus. Actually, you need to know the parts of this before you know that what's actually inside. So this is the olfactory bulb. Okay, so this is the olfactory bulb. This part is the olfactory tract. Okay, and these two, they are the lateral and medial olfactory stria. Okay, so the olfactory sulcus, it's present between the olfactory bulb and the olfactory tract. So this part has three parts. It's olfactory bulb, olfactory tract, and lateral and medial olfactory stria, and inside that we have our olfactory sulcus. So that's our first sulcus. So olfactory sulcus. Okay, after this, the second sulcus is the orbital sulcus. It's a irregular head-shaped sulcus. So this is our orbital sulcus. Okay, so in this orbital sulcus, it's actually divided into 4 parts: anterior, posterior, lateral, and medial. That we'll talk about when we come to the gyruses part. So now we're looking at only the sulcus. So we're done with the olfactory sulcus, which is present in the olfactory system, and then you have the orbital sulcus, which is a irregular head-shaped sulcus. And then coming down, you have the occipitotemporal sulcus, and you have medial to that you have your collateral sulcus, and on top, in the same parallel way, you have the rhinal sulcus. So you have a total of 5 sulcus: olfactory sulcus, orbital sulcus, occipitotemporal, collateral, and then rhinal sulcus. So the first one was olfactory sulcus. First one was the olfactory sulcus, then the orbital head-shaped sulcus. Below is the occipitotemporal sulcus, and medial to that is the collateral sulcus, and on top of that is the rhinal sulcus. So these are all the sulcuses. Now coming to the gyruses. Okay, so coming to the gyruses, first we have a gyrus rectus. Okay, so that's in the uppermost part is the gyrus rectus. So our first gyrus is gyrus rectus. So after gyrus rectus, we have around this head-shaped orbital sulcus, we have anterior orbital, posterior orbital, lateral, and medial orbital sulcus. So anterior, posterior, medial, and lateral orbital sulcus. So that's a second gyrus. This is our second gyrus. After that, we have the lateral occipitotemporal sulcus. This is our occipitotemporal sulcus. So lateral to that, we have the lateral occipitotemporal gyrus. Okay, so lateral to the occipitotemporal sulcus, we have lateral occipitotemporal gyrus, and medial to the occipitotemporal sulcus, we have medial occipitotemporal gyrus. So medial occipitotemporal gyrus. Okay, and then here we have a lingual gyrus. So this is the lingual gyrus. So this is the lingual this is the lingual sulcus, and between the lingual sulcus and the lower one third of the collateral sulcus, in between this we have the lingual gyrus. So in between the lingual sulcus and the posterior one third of the collateral sulcus we have the lingual gyrus, and on top of that we have the pars hippocampus gyrus, and on top of that, anterior to that, we have the uncus gyrus. So in total we have our gyrus rectans, anterior, posterior, medial, lateral, orbital gyrus, and then we have lateral occipitotemporal gyrus, medial occipitotemporal gyrus, lingual gyrus, then so this is the fourth one, fifth one, sixth one is the parahippocampal gyrus, and uncus. So anterior to the lingual gyrus is the parahippocampal gyrus, anterior to the pirohippocampal gyrus is the uncus gyrus. So we'll revise the cerebral so to revise all the sulcuses and gyruses of the inferior surface, there are 5 sulcuses and 7 gyrus. So first we started off with the olfactory sulcus, which was in the olfactory system, and then lateral to that we had the orbital sulcus, which was irregular, head shaped, and then coming below we have our occipitotemporal sulcus. Medial to that we had a collateral sulcus, and anterior to the collateral sulcus was a rhinal sulcus. So those were the total sulcuses, and we had a lingual sulcus right here. Okay, so coming to the gyrus, first on the top from anterior to posterior if we're going, first we had a gyrus rectus, that was the most anterior gyrus. After that, in the orbital sulcus we have 4 different gyruses, that's anterior, posterior, lateral and medial. Coming down we have, since this is the occipitotemporal sulcus, laterally we have a lateral occipitotemporal, medially we have medial occipitotemporal. Then between the lingual sulcus and the posterior one third of the medial collateral we have a lingual sulcus, lingual gyrus. Anterior to that parahippocampus gyrus, and then uncus gyrus. So these are the total number of sulcus and gyruses in the inferior part of the cerebrum.